Alright, so I should have a package today. I better have a package today. It needs more limiters! Like, subscribe, comment. That wasn't shit. Said delivered, so we got a problem. Thank God. Alright, y'all. So that package was by the door, thank God, because I've been waiting for 2 weeks. These bearings are the last of what I need to put my bike back together. So I had the frame, subframe, and swing arm powder coated. That's how she's sitting right now. As you can see, just got to get these in there and she'll be ready to go. Front end still put together. So I'm not gonna take this to a machine shop because they charge way too much to put bearings in. So I'm gonna attempt to hammer them in, which is not a good idea because I only have one set. It's the first time I've ever done it, but I guess you're gonna learn today. So let's get into it, and we'll see if I can get this whole thing back together today. My bearings lubed. I guess the point is here is to take a socket that's about the same size as the bearing itself and hopefully tap it in. We'll see how this goes. I got the bearings in, I got that clip in, which took me way longer than I thought it was gonna. Swing arm's ready, bike's ready to be put back together. I'm ready for it to be put back together, so let's get it. It was going too well. That was the problem. It was going too well. After that, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for the day. Before I go, I want to let y'all know what sockets I used to punch your bearings in. I used a 17, a long one for the small bearings, and then I used a 32 for the largest bearing. I then used a 19 for the middle of it to tap it in, and then for the other ones I used a 22 to get those in. So was that the right way to do it? Probably not, but I learned how to do it and I saved myself some money. So I'll probably finish putting her back together tomorrow and we'll do a part 2 of this video. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.